In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change project access in Jira. To get started, open Jira and go to your projects list. From there, open the specific project you want to manage. This is important because access settings are controlled at the individual project level. So you will need to be inside the correct project before making any changes. Once you are in the project, look for the three-dot menu next to the project options. Click that menu, and then choose either the space settings or the project settings option. Depending on the version of Jira you are using, the wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You want to open the settings area for that project. After the settings page opens, click on Access. This is where Jira lets you control who can discover the project and what level of visibility it has for people on your site. If you manage team permissions regularly, this is one of the most useful sections to know. On the Access page, find the Change Project Access button. It's located next to the Add People button. Go ahead and click it. This will open the options that let you update the project's overall access level. You will now see 3 access levels to choose from. The first is Private. This option keeps the project restricted only to users you manually add to specific roles, which is useful if the project contains sensitive work or should only be visible to a limited team. The second option is Limited. With limited access, only added members can access the project. But other users on your Jira site may still be able to find the project through global search. This is a good middle ground option when you want some discoverability without full access. The third option is Open. This allows anyone registered on your Jira site to view the project and create issues. This setting works well for projects that need broad collaboration or visibility across multiple teams. After selecting the access level that fits your needs, click Change to apply the update. That saves your new project access setting. Also, while you are on this page, keep in mind that you can use the Add People button to assign specific roles to users or groups. For example, you can give someone administrator, member, or viewer access depending on what they need to do in the project. This is helpful when you want more control beyond the overall access level. And that's how to change project access in Jira. Thanks for watching.